Yes, now that is very important question. Let me give you a very small example. You know what the biggest problem of our life is? We live in images and not in reality. That's true. Now you will ask how we live in images. Guruji, what are you saying? Acharya ji, how we live in images? Let's say in your house, fridge is on the left side, almirah is on the right side. Let's take this example. Fridge is on the left side, almirah is on the right side. When you want to take food, you go to the left side. When you want to take clothes, you go to the right side. Now one day, I change the setting of your house. I keep the almirah to the left side and I keep the fridge on the right side. What will happen? For next few days, you will keep on going towards almirah thinking fridge is there. And you will keep on fridge thinking that almirah is there. ये हम सबके साथ होता है, right? Because we live in images and it takes us some time to come back to reality. When we master our mind, आदतें, इसको हम कहते हैं habits. So these are the habits. When we master our mind, we are able to adapt the changes very easily. Very easily. Life में there is a small change and we get upset. There is a small change and we get short-tempered. No. Change is the basic nature not only of human beings but of the entire Prakriti, entire universe, entire nature. Your body is changing every second, your mind is changing every second. बदलाव ही जीवन है. And as soon as we accept that change, there are no problems. But when we are stuck to what we think, this is right, this is wrong, I am right, you are wrong, so from there, problems start. So let's stop living in images, let's live in reality, let's accept all the change, and let's be aware that the entire universe is changing every second. I am changing every second. You are changing every second. So how can you expect that a person, my life partner, he was like this 20 years back and now he is like this now. And then the problem starts. No. You have also changed. He has also changed. Accept the change and move forward. And then let me tell you a very important thing. You know, there is no one who is a pot of negativity. जो नेगेटिव से नेगेटिव है उसके अंदर भी कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ पॉजिटिविटी है. Whenever you are upset with any person in your life, any important person in your life, any important relationship in your life, just sit quiet for some time and think about the good things that person is having, good habits that person has. उस इंसान में जितनी अच्छाइयां हैं उनके बारे में सोचो, और जो बुराइयां हैं हम क्यों नेगेटिव की तरफ भागते हैं? Why we want to think about the negative things? When we think about the positive things, it's a wonderful exercise which you need to do, which you need to learn whenever such situation happens. And we all go through those situations. That it's not a new thing. Where there is a relationship, there are such situations. So whenever there is such a situation, just keep your eyes closed, sit for some time, and make a list of all the good habits, all the good things in that person. Focus on those good things. Once you will know about those good things, because you're so ignorant towards the good things and so alert towards the bad things that you were just focusing on the bad thing. Once you will focus on the good thing, तो आप देखेंगे, you will see that, oh my God, I never realized that this person is so valuable to me. This person is so good. This person is so essential for me. And then see, once we दृष्टि बदलती है तो दृश्य बदल जाता है, मन बदलता है तो संसार बदल जाता है. और इसीलिए कहा गया जैसी दृष्टि वैसी सृष्टि. Change your दृष्टि and the entire world will change.
Subscribe to this channel and stay connected to us. You can also like, comment, share and send your feedback. You can also join us at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Stay healthy and happy.